Hello? Ay. Hello? Parang kagigising lang.
Hi,
Hello? Hi. How are you? What's your name?
Aubrey McClure.
Abik?
Aubrey.
Aubrey! Hi, Aubrey!
Hi.
You know me?
Yes, I remember you. I
What's my-
commented your on
what's-
Facebook.
What's my name?
Really?
Hi, Aubrey! Aubrey, where are you now? Where are you? Alam namin kung nasaan siya.
Such a precious, so silly.
Where's that?
Here, Palawan.
Sorry? Palawan ba?
Palawan.
No, nasa ating Palawan. Are you in the US?
No.
Mukhang nagkamali kayo.
Yeah.
Mukhang nasa Palawan nga. Hello?
Galing po sa US si Aubrey.
Galing siya sa US.
Galing ho siya,
You give
galing ho sa US, sa Arizona si Aubrey.
O ngayon, nasan kayo?
Ngayon umuwi siya dito sa Palawan, nagbabakasyon.
Okay. Pero yung,
Nasa Puerto Princesa kami ngayon.
pero yung phone nyo tinawagin naka-register sa Amerika eh. Tama?
Opo, nasa Amerika po. Nasa taga-Arizona kami.
Tiga Arizona, US. Tama po ba? Tama po ba yan, Tay?
Opo.
Kayo ho ang father ni Aubrey.
Opo, si Aubrey po ay PWD, anak ko po sa Arizona.
Kayo po ay nandito, nagbabakasyon. Hello, Aubrey. So, si Aubrey po, from Arizona, kasi yung kanyang pono naka-register sa Arizona. Pero ngayon, nagbakasyon sila. Hi, Aubrey.
Hi.
You know me? Tito Willie?
Yeah. Yes.
All right, it's a good thing I'm talking to you now. Because,
Yeah.
I
I
thought-
got the app work.
okay, you speak Tagalog, Aubrey?
English.
Don't get
I
mad.
speak English.
Okay, sorry, okay. Anyway, Aubrey, I have something for you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll give you a cell phone here, Android phone.
Okay.
Okay, and then,
That's perfect.
perfect. Why?
Because that's my favorite app to use.
Okay, I don't understand right now because it's kind of blurred, you know. Anyway, I have something also for you. Do you need the money? Aubrey, do you need the money?
Yes. Yes.
Why?
For my dad.
For your dad. Okay, that's right. Cute. Oh, that's...
Let me see. Hello, TV.
What?
Si
Okay.
Aubrey po ay may permanent na sakit, disabled po siya.
Okay po tayo. Okay, yeah. Buti yun, nandito kayo, tiga Palawan po kayo.
What?
Your dad, I'm talking to your daddy. Kayo po ba yung tiga Palawan?
Kami po ay taga Palawan pero kami po ay taga Arizona din. Sa Arizona kami 30 years.
Babalik po ba kayo sa Arizona?
Opo, next year.
Next year, dito muna ho kayo.
Opo,
Ilan po bang anak, ano po bang pangalan nyo, Tay?
Carlos
Carlos
Macolor.
Macolor?
Yeah, Carlos Macolor.
Pero kayo po ay Pilipino.
US citizen po kami.
Okay. Asan po ang mami ni Aubrey?
Namatay na po ang mami ni Aubrey 3 years ago.
Ay, sorry about that. Sorry. Ilan pong anak nyo?
Isa lang po si Aubrey na anak namin.
Okay. Kasi nag-Flex TV ho yata si Aubrey, no, Tay?
Opo, nag-Flex TV siya.
That's why. Bakit to? Bakit siya nag-Flex TV?
Palagi siyang nanonood sa iyo, palagi niyang kinakalikot yung kanyang cellphone.
Ah, talaga po? Salamat to. At yan, buti natawagan siya. Kasi, bihira naman siyempre mga OFW sa Amerika. Ang pagkakaalam ko, alam niyo naman doon. Kasi madalas natin mga OFW. So, ang nakakatuwa to, hindi lang ho OFW ang pwedeng sumali at pwedeng matawagan. Katulad ni si Aubrey, ho. Ay, Aubrey, thank you at always watching
You're
Tito Willie.
welcome.
Oh, I have something for you, the phone, and then I'll give it to your dad. You have $20,000. $20,000.
Thank you, Kuya Willie.
No, sorry.
On
20,000
TV.
pesos only. Sa million mahigit yun. Oh, 20,000 pesos. Gusto ko sana yung convert sa dollars. Magkano ito? $500? More or less, $400. Equivalent to $400. The 20,000 pesos. You like it?
Yes.
Or what do you want to tell Tito Willie?
What?
What do you want to tell me?
Thank you so much, Willie. Thank you, OTB.
Wow. All right. Thank you. You take care.
Okay, you too.
I love you and Merry Christmas, Aubrey.
Thank you.
Sige po, tay, ha? Salamat po. Okay.
Bye, turn it off.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, right here. Okay.